Hey guys, welcome back to G's Autos. Thank you so much for tuning in. All right, I'm going to give you an update on where I'm at with the car at the moment. So, all the front suspension is in and buttoned up. Last night I stayed up past my bedtime and got all the rear suspension all in there, so that's all done. Brakes, whatnot. The only thing I haven't done is put the steering rack in, so I'm going to do that shortly, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick run through on what everything looks like. I'm just going to run you down one side of the car. I'm also going to show up, I'm just going to throw up a couple of photos, happy snaps of what these bits look like before I got in there and cleaned them up. I'm not going to bore you with 10 hours of photos, just a quick rundown, guys, just to see the difference between then and now. This car was putrid, and I think it's looking really good. So we'll take a look at that, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, that's what it looked like. Now this is what it looks like. So let's get under here and have a look. I still need to hook up the change over the brake line, but that's all good. So that's up the back there, all the control arms. They're all looking good. I still need to finish off the sway bar. Not really worried about that at the moment. But I'm very happy with the way it all looks. A lot of work went into cleaning all the nuts and bolts on this car. Whoop. So a lot of work went into cleaning all these. Every single one was done on the bench wheel. They all come up really good. So there you go, guys. That's a quick look at the back. Everything nice and neat, nice and clean. All right, let's go have a look at the front. All right, big difference. Very happy with how it all turned out. I just need to put a bolt there. Pardon me, in the bottom ball joint, just to finish that off. And just the hitch point there, I've cleaned up, new bolts. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Next video is I'm going to chuck the wheels on. Once the steering rack is on, I'm going to chuck the wheels on and go from there.